E-commerce isn't just about making a beautiful looking store, or it's not just about having the most functional product. The most important aspect of e-commerce is shipping. So how, as an e-commerce owner, are you handling shipping? If you are a Vetrinalive user, we have a good news for you. Vetrinalive offers a native integration with ShippypPRO. This is a new feature launch, and here in this video I'm going to show you how you can use ShippypPRO with Vetrinalive and handle your orders. In order to use ShippypPRO, the newest integration of Vetrinalive, all you have to do is log in to your Vetrinalive account by clicking on the sign in button. And once you're logged in to your Vetrinalive account, all you see is a new option that is appearing on the left side. It says shipments and it has a new tag over there. Let's explore. So it comes with two options in it, that is platforms and package sizes. In order for ShippypPRO integration to work, currently it's disabled as you can see, you need to enable package sizes and create a package. Let's create a sample package and with sample sizes. Once we create a sample package with sample sizes, you can click on save, you can enter the weight, and you're done. So once you do that, you can go to ShippypPRO and click on that. Yes, EasyShip and ShipStation are not available while I'm recording this video, but they're going to be available soon. Once I click on ShippypPRO, you just have to enter two options and it's really simple to do. To get the API key, you have to click this blue button and it'll take you to the ShippypPRO website where you should already be having an account. Once you're in the ShippypPRO dashboard, all you have to do is click on add key and the key will be generated. Once the key is generated, you just have to copy the entire key and then paste it in the API key section. Once you've pasted it, all you need is the marketplace ID. When I click on the blue button again, it takes me to add my store. So let's add our Vetrinalive store over here. Once we scroll down, we see an option called API orders. Let's click on that. Once we click on API orders, we can close this and we can enter a custom name. I would enter it as Vetrinalive because I want my store to connect. Once we connect and confirm, it says API orders are done. It shows me the status as green. All I have to do is copy this ID by clicking on the edit button over there. And once I copy this, I can just go ahead and paste my marketplace ID over here. Click on save and it shows that ShippypPRO is enabled, API credentials is saved, and it gives me all the webhook credentials, etc., everything that I need. Isn't that so easy? But I'm going to show you some problems that you will face. It will show me these error. The first problem that you will face is if you haven't had a sample package, ShippypPRO integration won't continue. So you need to add your package by creating the package and adding the length, width, height, and the weight of the package. The second problem that you're going to face is in your products, where in your products, if you haven't mentioned the weight of the product, then you're going to face an issue again. You have to do this for every single product available in your store, and I've enabled the weight for every single product out there. So you need to do that, otherwise the ShippypPRO integration won't really continue. The third aspect is inside ShippypPRO itself. All you have to do is, if you haven't connected your ShippypPRO before, or if you haven't set up your ShippypPRO account, what happens is it will show you an error to connect and set up your ShippypPRO account. Make sure you connect your carrier. In my case, I've connected it to DHL Express, but based on your country, you can be connecting it to whatever carrier that you wish to. Once you connect and set up a courier and ensure that all three things are met, you should be able to get started with ShippypPRO and integrate it live with Vetrinalive and watch this message that says enabled on your dashboard. That's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching and we hope you succeed in your e-commerce journey.